social restaurant. So we see the view from the water here, Crystal River. You can see a lot of people are kayaking, boating, and then Dustin's over there somewhere. So get the video from there. And we're waiting for our appetizer and entry. Our waterfront social here. You see the sign.
Like about this restaurant?
There.
Mustard, ketchup, and salt, pepper, Tabasco.
So we got our drink here.
So many restaurants just give you no like that Thai restaurant we went to yesterday.
Say something about
What's the matter?
Say something about the restaurant that this one was recommended.
About the restaurant? This restaurant is called Waterfront Social. It was recommended to us by Mark, the captain of the boat. We went on our manatee tour, which was really nice, by the way. And it seems pretty nice. They have a lot of seafood here. It's a seafood place. So we'll let you know how it was.
Thank you. Here's our clam chowder for our appetizer.
Hey,
What do you call this?
Grouper bites.
Grouper bites.
Calamari.
French.
there's a touch of something
Hey,
in
dig
there.
in. Okay, this is my ramen tonkatsu noodle. Dana got the same one. Dustin got boy, right?
boy.
That's about
It's lime, baby. There's some lime on that.
key lime pie for dessert.
That's a good
How is
graham
it?
cracker crust there.
Good?
Key lime pie has real good graham cracker crust, and it's very limey. Delicious. Very nice.
Yummy. Is how going to share? Good? How is it, Dustin?
Do we need to go?
Thank you.